Finding the right collar for your large canine companion is essential for safety and control. In this guide, we'll explore the best dog collars for big dogs, built tough to handle strength while keeping your pet comfortable and secure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1.
The Jugbow Dog Shock Collar is a versatile and budget-friendly option for pet owners seeking humane, safe, and effective dog training solutions. Offering 4 training modes: beep, vibration, shock, and a shock boost option, this collar allows you to correct unwanted behaviors promptly while customizing the level of stimulation to suit your dog's personality and training progress. The vibration and beep settings are particularly useful for positive reinforcement or for dogs that respond well to gentler cues. What sets the Jugbow collar apart is its impressive 4,200-foot remote range, providing more than enough distance for reliable off-leash training in backyards, parks, or open fields. With a dual-channel system, one remote can operate 2 receiver collars simultaneously, making it convenient for households with multiple dogs. The memory function ensures you won't need to reset levels every time you train, saving time and streamlining the process. Fit and comfort are crucial in any training collar, and Jugbow doesn't disappoint. The adjustable, soft nylon strap fits dogs from 10 to 120 pounds with neck sizes between 7.8 and 24.4 inches, ensuring a secure yet gentle fit for small, medium, and large breeds. The compact receiver design further enhances comfort, especially for smaller dogs that might struggle with bulkier units. Durability is another Jugbow strength. The collar features an IPX7 waterproof receiver, making it suitable for use in rain, mud, or shallow water. However, while the receiver is waterproof, the remote should be kept dry to ensure longevity.
Number 2. The Bousnic Dog Shock Collar is an affordable, reliable, and humane option for pet owners seeking an effective way to improve their dog's behavior. One of its most appealing features is the 3,300-foot range remote control, which delivers a fast, uninterrupted signal even through walls or obstacles. This allows for indoor, backyard, or wide-open field training without the risk of losing connection. Whether you're working on off-leash recall or curbing bad habits at home, the range makes it a versatile tool for any setting. This collar offers 3 distinct training modes: beep, vibration, and safe shock, with adjustable intensity levels to suit your dog's sensitivity and size. The beep and vibration levels are adjustable from 1 to 8 and 1 to 16 respectively, while the shock mode provides a comprehensive 1 to 99 range, giving you the control to set just the right level of correction. The security lock on the remote ensures that accidental shocks are avoided, adding a thoughtful layer of safety. Designed to fit dogs of all sizes, the compact receiver is lightweight and comfortable enough for small breeds while remaining durable for medium and large dogs. Its IP67 waterproof rating allows your dog to swim, bathe, or play in wet conditions without any issue. The dual channel function enables you to train 2 dogs simultaneously using one remote, which is especially convenient for multi-pet households. Number 3. Halo Collar Dog Shock Collar. The Halo Collar Dog Shock Collar isn't your average training tool. It's a high-tech, GPS-enabled dog safety system designed to offer pet owners peace of mind with cutting-edge features. Developed as an invisible fence alternative and tracking device, the Halo Collar creates custom wireless boundaries using an app-based GPS system. The collar continuously monitors your dog's real-time location and instantly notifies you if your pet leaves the designated area. Unlike basic shock collars, Halo's training system includes feedback options like sound, vibration, and static. You can instantly recall your dog through the app or remote commands. It also monitors activity levels, tracks exercise history, and logs the dog's location. Its dual-frequency GPS, using both L1 and L5 bands, ensures exceptionally accurate tracking in areas with poor signal or urban interference, outperforming typical single-frequency models. The redesigned Halo 4 is sleek, lightweight, and built to fit dogs as small as 10 pounds with adjustable sizing from 8 to 30.5 inches. The durable design features a longer 30-plus hour battery life, improved waterproofing, louder speakers, stronger vibration feedback, and more powerful static correction when needed.
Keep in mind that using the collar's full capabilities requires a monthly subscription, starting at $9.99, covering GPS services and data for boundary management and tracking.
Number 4. Invirox Shock Collar for Dog. The Invirox Shock Collar for Dog is a top-tier training collar designed by military veterans, combining rugged durability, advanced features, and dependable safety for pet owners looking to manage their dog's behavior humanely. It stands out with 124 levels of adjustable training intensity, giving owners unprecedented precision when choosing the right level for their dog. The system includes beep, vibration, and stimulation modes, with beep offering 1 to 8 levels, vibration 1 to 16, and shock from 1 to 99, plus a unique nightlight mode for visibility in low-light conditions. Its ergonomic remote offers intuitive controls and includes 3 carrying options: a belt clip, lanyard, or wrist strap, enhancing convenience whether you're training at home, in a park, or during hikes. The collar features a secure keypad lock to prevent accidental shocks and has been both lab and field tested for safety and reliability. Offering a range of up to 3/4 mile, around 4,000 feet, this collar is well suited for outdoor training sessions and off-leash adventures. The receiver is 100% IP67 waterproof, meaning your dog can run, swim, or play in the rain without issue, while the remote is rated IP65 for maximum durability in tough conditions. Designed to fit dogs from as small as 8 pounds to as large as 150 pounds, it's versatile enough for everything from small breeds to large working dogs. Whether you're addressing barking, leash pulling, aggression, or recall issues, the Invirox collar provides enough range and customization to correct a variety of behaviors safely and effectively. Number 5. Oliry Smart AI Bark Collar. The Oliry Smart AI Bark Collar stands out as a versatile and highly customizable training device designed to manage unwanted barking in dogs of all sizes. It boasts 5 smart training modes, including beep, vibration, beep plus vibration plus static, and a boost static plus beep plus vibration mode. With 5 adjustable sensitivity levels, it allows dog owners to tailor correction settings to match their pet's temperament and environment. This bark collar is particularly well suited for both casual pet owners and professional trainers seeking an effective, humane solution to nuisance barking. The inclusion of a state-of-the-art AI chip with voice print recognition ensures precise bark detection, minimizing false triggers from other noises or nearby dogs. The collar responds instantly in just 0.01 seconds, providing immediate correction when necessary. The rechargeable design is another major advantage, featuring a quick 2-hour charge time and an impressive battery life of up to 18 days. The clear LCD screen displays essential information such as battery status, sensitivity level, and the current training mode, making adjustments straightforward and user-friendly. It uses a modern Type-C charging cord for added convenience. Designed to fit dogs from 8 to 150 pounds, with neck sizes ranging from 8 to 25 inches, this collar accommodates nearly all breeds over 6 months old. Whether you have a small, medium, or large dog, this collar promises consistent, reliable results. The safety features, customization options, and smart technology integration make the Oliry Smart AI Bark Collar a standout choice in the crowded market of bark control devices.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.